Welcome to Bird of Paradise. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is located in Marathon, the heart of the Florida Keys. The main level has an open floor plan, perfect for spending time with friends and family. The modern kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and leads out to a Florida room overlooking the pool. Perfect for having a margarita to watch the sunset or a cup of coffee to start your day. Bird of Paradise is situated in the center of the island, on the Gulf side. It is within walking distance to shops, restaurants, and only a 10-minute drive from the famed Sombrero Beach, and conveniently located near the island's grocery stores. This home has a swimming platform that is perfect for docking jet skis, kayaks, or a small flats boat. The 3 stunning bedrooms are located on the second floor of this home and can accommodate 8 people comfortably. The master suite has gorgeous views of the Gulf during the day, and the private balcony is perfect for stargazing at night. Give us a call or go online to make your reservation today. You'll sure be glad that you did.